Hey guys, so today is Losar, and this is my shoe, but I need to fix it though. Banana, kanji, it's like black women. Oh, that looks so good.
Tiga mara. Yang tiga ada tiga ndis, nanti lapor nanti ngapa ini.
They're my favorite earrings in the whole wide world. Okay guys, so I fixed my chuba. Hustle.
Picture messenger.
목줄은 잘 되니? Hey guys, dating is Losar Tashi. I look really bad right now, but yeah, I'm dating my 상수유래. So I'm getting ready. 아니 가장 원하는 heelless curls tee. 아니 hopefully 양보 차율. But yeah, delivered gerne. Shout out to Agitated for this lip liner. It's my favorite. Just a little. There's some lime. Okay. I'm Maybelline for this cherry because it's waterproof. I didn't want these spoolie. Oh, it's like such a nice spool. Oh my god, looks like a pig's tail.
A necklace.
I think I need to brush this out because the curls are like too curly.
No!
Okay. Guys, let me show you my whole fit. Hey guys, so 상수치상이定了 until I know you and just cleaning and getting ready because people are coming to our house for dinner. 아니 얘들 종로하지. 걔가 dating or not. Her gag was actually February 18th, but dating karaoke celebrated it. So yeah, I need to take off this and start cleaning. Need milk somewhere. It's gone. But yeah, guys, that was basically a wrap for Losar this year. Now I'm gonna go back in my nanjam because I'm cleaning, bro. So These are pants. They're from Gap. They'll be seeing. You guys will be seeing these pants again. In the summer when I go back to India. I like these pants. I have 3. That pink one and the 2 blue ones. Now I'm getting ready for my friend's like birthday party thing. Just gonna make up. It's in like 30 minutes. I got time to clean the room. I hate this one. Stick out there.
Dedicated. You're so waiting for me to put in my bed.